Well, welcome to Boundary Ford. We are located at 2502 50th Ave in Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this pre-owned 2012 Ford F-150 XLT. The exterior color is red, and under the hood we have a 5.0 liter V8 engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have our auto headlamps and fog lamps and tow hooks, and over at the side we have 18-inch wheels wrapped in Wrangler tires. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass and a backup camera. At the interior we have power locks, mirrors, and windows. And as we move closer to the cabinet, you will see a gray cloth seating. Over at our steering column we have our auto headlamp settings. We have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control to the left, and to the right our media and hands-free options. As we look ahead, you will see we have AM/FM radio, SIRIUS XM, 9-disc CD player, and aux. And below we have our dual climate control area, which includes heating and air conditioning for the entire cabin. We have a dual cup holder and storage. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2012 Ford F-150 XLT, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.